Welcome to Dosto Web. So today I'm going to teach you about the program number 10, which is on creating cookies. So before proceeding to the video, I'll request everyone, please subscribe my channel and share with your friends. And if you have any question at the end of session, you can put your question in the comment box. And also have the bell notification icon to be on, so you get all the notification whenever we upload any video. So thanks for the watching for the previous videos, and I'll be keep uploading the several different type of some videos, either education or related to the some cricket or something like that, just for the time pass. That's all you can say. So let's proceed with that. So what we are going to do that here. So program number 10, that is about Java program to create and read cookies, and you have to give the cookies name should be there like EMPID, and the value should be something whatever the number as per the question as they have given in syllabus. So this program you can use there are two different way, because this cookies, that means it's just an information, and this get on browser with help of either JSP, that is Java server page, or using servlet only. So you can manage or access any cookies with help of JSP, Java server page, or even with help of servlet. So here it is not mentioned anything like you are going to use servlet or JSP or Java. You can do any ways, that's up to you. If it's specify that you have to read it on use with help of servlet or JSP, then you are going to implement that. Also, I'll be guiding you the next session. As of now, we'll go with the program number 10. This is a very simple Java programming. So here what the thing is that, so when you want to create the cookies, because whenever you browse, like example when I browse this one, we have some cookies, some information stored in the browser history, right? So this will be there and it will be recorded, and there is also you can set the like duration, that till how long the cookies will be active. After that it will be destroyed or deleted automatically. That we can do that. So let's start with the coding. So follow the steps. If you have any question at the end of session, please ask in the question. I'll be happy to answer you all. Okay, so let's proceed. I'll close my previous. Already I have opened Eclipse. Hope you have done the previous step, previous videos you have completed about servlet. You must complete, and hope all the configuration remain same, like your Apache, your Java, and don't do anything. So you can see here. So what I am going to do that, you can see we have both normal, you can open the perspective and you can change to the normal Java also. So you can see that if you want to change, you can change like this way. So in previous video we have discussed about how we can use for the web project and normal Java project. So let's do that. So what I am going to do, I'll be creating very simple first steps. So file, new Java project. I'll be giving here, because it's a cookie, you can give my cookie name, let it by default everything. Make sure you uncheck the model info, click on next. Okay, the simple steps as we were following. Let it be by default everything, don't touch, and click on please. You know very well, once it's created, you can see on the left hand side you have src, right, source folder. So I have to create a class file in this. So right click, you can open here, okay, and right click, new, and you can see here class. You know very well you can give any class name, don't change any package. If you are creating any package, you can give the package name. So as of now I don't need any package anything. I'm just going to check. Okay, I'm unchecking the inherit abstract method also. Let's see what is going to be happening. So you can create any class name. I will give my cookie. Okay. So this is my class name. I'll click on finish. Okay, you can see that this is created. So I'll go to the inside the main class, and because it's very simple, so directly we will be writing here main method. So public static void main. Okay, writing main method. You know very well how to use main method. This main method is ready now. Now what I have to do, because we are going to take input from the keyboard. So you know very well, whenever you are going to get an input, you have to use, that means we are going to read the input from the keyboard, and we are going to use a scanner, right? Scanner class. So I'll be creating a scanner object. So for that, you know very well, it's a scanner, and you can create any object name, either it's with a small name. Scanner is equal to new, and again scanner, give control space, so it will give you the suggestion. Just click on the second option, because input source. So input source, what is going to be? It's going to be system.in, right? So you can see here we have the system.in, and I have to give the semicolon. It's done. Right, so what the warning is there, guys? You can see the warning. So multiple resource leak, a scanner is never closed. So let's proceed. This is warning, no problem. Let's proceed. So now what I need to do, that I have to give the prompt, I should get the message that yes, enter the input here, right? So for that, you know very well, I have to use system.out.println. So shortcut is sys and give control space. The moment you give, you can see the second option, sys out, enter. Automatically this printing statement will appear over here. You have to be smart how industry works. Instead of typing, you should get the suggestion and you can use it directly. Okay, so I'm creating, so I'll just give here enter the value, enter the value of cookie, that is your nothing EMPID, some as EMPID there, you know, this is there. Then after, I have to take the input, right? So whatever the input I'm going to read it. So here now this is input is going to be accept, and now this we have to get some value, right? So I will going to take some any variable name you can create for the string. The string I will give cookie value, you can use anything, is equal to, and what I want, we need the input, so you can use a scanner object. You can see that the CS scanner, automatically suggestion will come, dot, automatically again suggestion is going to come. So I'll be going to next line, right? So next line. Okay, so what you are going to do that in next line? So next line, it just should read the information and take the value into that. Okay, so I have taken the value, it will read and go to move to the next. Once you complete this, make sure your scanner is closed, because when input stream is over, you should close the input stream. So to close the input stream, I should use scanner and dot, that is the close method. You can see automatically it's getting appearance. So this is close method. We have closed it. So we have done this part till for the giving just input. Now what I have to do, I have to create the cookies with the name of EMPID, and I should read that one, right? So that is entered by users, that has to be created. That's all. So what I'll do, I'll create cookie. So for cookie, we have the class that is called as cookie, and I'll create object name same, small letter, so no problem. Cookie is equal to, you know very well that we have to create an instance here, new, I will give the control space, automatically suggestion will come. See, it's coming cookie manager, everything. So I don't want cookie manager and all, I need simple cookie. Okay, cookie, and in this you are going to pass the parameter, that is your one is the cookie's name, and you should have the cookie value which we have read there. Okay, so cookie value, and enter. So still error is there, we will resolve this. Let's complete first. What is the error, I will tell you that also. Now this is done. So this line that is going to read the cookies whatever is created, okay, in Java. Now what I have to do, I have to display the cookie information what has been entered by user. So display purpose you know very well, that is system.out.println. so I will give this sys and control space and enter second option, it will come, right, double quotes. What I want cookie name, give the colon, and you want to print here cookie name, then you can give you know very well, so you have to give plus symbol for concat, and cookie object what we have created, and dot, that is the get name method. Okay, so this line we don't have any error. Let's proceed the next. That means we are going to read the cookie value. Same way we are going to use sys.out, sys control space, second option, then I'm going to read cookie value, right here cookie value, okay, and I will give the plus for concat, and I will call method cookie dot get value. Okay, so this is for reading the cookie value. That's all. This is the only this much is there. If you want to set the expiry of for the cookie, that also you can set. The same thing what you can do, you can use this cookie into JSP, that is the different procedure, or even servlet. So that will be the different procedure. I will be guiding you in the different session for that. So you can see here we are getting an error, right? So if you run this, we get the error. So what is this error? If you click on that, you can read that information. It's asking to create class, record, interface, enum, rename, add type parameter, and fix setup project. So there is two ways to resolve this problem, because this error, because this is from the servlet. Okay, guys, remember. So this normal Java what we have used, so there is cookie is not supported. So we need to add a jar file. Okay, so that is the Java archive file where this cookies is defined, that we have to add in the library, right? Then only it will work. So one is method is when you click here, you can get the option called fixed project setup. You can do this one. That is one step. So fixed setup project. Double click. Automatically it will give you suggestion to add jar file, and it will give you that where actually your jar file is there, because already I have configured the Tomcat in previous videos for the executing servlet program. It will be giving the suggestion directly. If you have any other path, you can choose this, but in auto fix setup automatically it will give you suggestion, and I'll just click here OK. Okay, once you click OK, automatically you can see here our reference library will be get added. If you don't want to do this way, then there is another manual method is there. Go to the project name, that is my cookie, right click on that, then go bottom, you can see the properties. Click on properties. Then there is something called Java build path. You can see here, and you can see here you have source, project, library, order and export, model dependencies. So I am not going there. I'll click on library. You can see you have model path and class path. You should select model path. You should click on add external jar. Okay, and then here you have to search where is your cookie file that you are going to, that means your servlet, that is Tomcat where it is installed. So that path was showing in downloads. So downloads I don't have. Is there or not? So it's showing jar file. Okay, I will, as of now I'll see all the file. You can see I have Apache here. I'll put Apache Tomcat. I'll open this, and in this you can see there is a folder called lib. So you have to click on lib, and you have to search here, that is servlet API jar file. So you should select and open, and once you click open, okay, you have to click on open here. Once you click open, apply it, then again click on apply and close. Okay, and after that you will see that error will be disappear. So let's do that first method, that is auto fixing. So just click mouse over on that. You can see the error, multiple marker, cookie cannot resolve with the type. So let's click on this. Okay, and I'll click on fixed project setup. Double click. It's asking the option to select my first jar file. Okay. Okay, so what happened? I have saved, right? Still it's like the system is slow. So after this, it's giving the error for the cookie cannot resolve. Okay, so why it is not resolved? Okay, let me save my project first. See, the moment I save, that is gone, right? So I was getting error because it was not saved. I have saved it. Next, to run this, I will click right click, run as, and it's normal Java application. Run it. So once you run, you will get the here like this. You have to give the key values. So as in the given this, you are going to enter AN2356. So I'll just, okay, so I'm going to use this AN2356. Open the Eclipse. I will give this number and enter. See, I got the output. If you have installed correct version of Eclipse, correct version of JDK, correct version of your Apache Tomcat configured correctly, there is no doubt that your program will not run. 100% it is going to run. Okay, so what I have done, I have used auto method, and see, I got the output. This is the and run. Our output is done. This is the answer. So this way you can fix the, like, you can resolve this. Okay, my program is, I got output. This is very simple way. Is you can try out this one. The next session I will give you the another, like, how to execute on with help of servlet or JSP, one more different way to execute the same program. I'll teach you. So you can see that automatically once I added, automatically the package for the scanner and servlet package is added. So you know guys, in the syllabus, because earlier we used to have, that is Java X, nothing is changed to Jakarta. So instead of Java X, we are using Jakarta. That I will tell you in the next video why it is Jakarta is there. Okay, so that's all for today guys, and if you have any question and you are not able to get this output, you can please put in the question in the comment section. I'll be happy to answer you all. And once again, I request you all, please, if you have not subscribed, please subscribe and click on the bell icon notification. And if you like the videos, share with your friends, and please watch complete video. We need your support so I can get more motivated from your number of likes, number of views, and I'll be creating more videos in academic or as well as other part of that. So thank you for watching.